You must not have frontal to rock some particular style that you will love. Some styles can actually be achieved with a closure hair, especially 5x5. So today, I'll be showing you how I were able to achieve this particular hairstyle just using 5x5 closure. It's not a full frontal. This is a frontal that she wanted to use to take her pre-wedding shoot, and because it's a closure hair, I didn't pluck the front too much. I just give it a little bit plucking so that the front will be well flattened and give me what I wanted. While installing using 5x5, it depends the style you want to achieve. Do you want to achieve center parting or side parting? If you are achieving center parting, you will apply your bond. Use the measurements of the frontal to apply the bond so that it will not be more than. If it's side parting, then you shift the frontal by the side of your client's ear, either left ear or the right ear. Then use the measurements of the size of the closure to apply the bond. So when I'm done laying down the hair, I used my holding band to hold it. Then I start bouncing because this is a bounce hair, and after bouncing, I used my clip and my holding spray to secure the hair so that the bounce will last. And I think I am done here because there is not much. This is a center parting hair, and I will still style the hair when I am done. So the next thing to do is just to melt the hair. When I finished melting the hair, I started her makeup because she also booked for her makeup. I started her makeup and we are rushing. Then this is a soft glam. It's not a full coverage or heavy glam. So for this her makeup, I quickly did the brows, conceal the brows, carve her brow, fill in the powder, give her a very beautiful brow because that is the main focus. It's a simple glam. You need your brow to be very, very attractive. So when I finished, then I did my normal makeup routine. Work on her face, apply my primer, her foundation, eyeshadow, her lip stain, and the rest. I did some bronzer and my fixing spray so that the makeup will last for her. So guys, when I finished with the makeup, the next thing I did was to proceed with the hair because I have not styled the hair. I started using all the clip that I used to hold the bands, drop the bands, then I started packing the hair to the style that she wants, but styling the fronts. And guys, after the hairstyling and everything, this is the final look. Do you love what you see? Do you love the outcome of her hair and her makeup? Please, from a scale of 1 to 10, I am done cooking this beauty. Rate my work. Encourage me. Tell me whether the effort that I put in recreating this 5x5 pants to this style, whether I really tried or not. Comment, share, follow this page for more tips like this. Don't forget to like and comment. Bye.